Okay, so to start the process, click on this gear icon, then click on Equipment, then Generator, and then go all the way to the bottom to where it says Powerflush. It's going to ask you if you want to do it, no or yes. Click yes. Now it's going to take about 45 minutes to complete, so make sure you have plenty of time because you can't get in the shower or interrupt it as it's power flushing. Check back a few minutes later, had 37 minutes to go, the water was starting to trickle out. You will see a kind of an excess flow of water through the steam head that you don't typically see. Checked back a little bit later, it was at 29 minutes. You can see the steam is coming out more aggressively here along with the water. Down to 7 minutes now, steam's coming out pretty consistently, and then it should wrap up and go back to the home screen once the power flush has completed. That'll do it, and thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more.